welcome to our channel. In today's episode of Creative Fusion, we're thrilled to explore how to transform wood and metal leftovers into stunning and trendy home decor. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking for a creative way to enhance your living space, we've got something for everyone. Make sure to stay with us until the end of the video, and if you enjoy what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting projects and inspirations for your home. Upcycling has become a popular trend, allowing crafters and DIY enthusiasts to reduce waste while creating something unique. Instead of tossing aside leftover wood and metal scraps, why not transform them into decor that tells a story? Not only does this approach breathe new life into forgotten materials, but it also contributes to a more sustainable mindset, encouraging us to value what we already have. To kick off your creative journey, gather your materials. Scour your garage, attic, or local thrift stores for pieces that may otherwise go to waste. Look for old wooden planks, scraps from previous projects, or unique metal parts like brackets, pipes, or even old tools. This is your chance to let your imagination run wild. Mixing and matching different textures and colors will result in one-of-a-kind designs. Before you dive into crafting, take a moment to plan your design. Sketch out your ideas and consider how you want to combine the wood and metal elements. Will you create a wall art piece, a decorative shelf, or perhaps a unique table centerpiece? Planning helps set the stage for a seamless crafting experience and ensures you have all necessary materials on hand. One popular trend is to create statement wall art. For example, using wooden planks as a base, you can arrange metal scraps to form geometric shapes or abstract designs. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your space, but can also reflect your personal style. Experiment with different layouts until you find the perfect balance that speaks to you. Why not merge aesthetics with functionality? By combining wood and metal items, you can create beautiful yet practical decor pieces. For instance, a wooden coffee table can be enhanced with metal legs or accents. Alternatively, consider building a coat rack using a reclaimed wooden beam and old metal hooks. The possibilities are endless when you think outside the box. Once your pieces are assembled, it's time to add your personal touch. Painting or staining the wood can enhance its natural beauty or provide a modern twist. Consider using metallic spray paint for your metal scraps to add an industrial touch or a splash of color to make your design pop. Don't be afraid to experiment with different finishes to achieve the look you desire. As you craft, don't hesitate to seek inspiration from various sources. Browse Pinterest, visit home decor blogs, or check out local craft fairs for fresh ideas. Engaging with the creative community can spark new thoughts and encourage you to push your design boundaries further. Remember, every artist was first an amateur, so embrace the learning process. Now comes the fun part, putting everything together. Ensure that your designs are securely fastened and stable for use. For wooden pieces, make sure to sand any rough edges for safety. Metal parts may need welding or strong adhesives to keep them in place. Prioritizing durability is essential, especially for functional items, ensuring they're both beautiful and practical. Once your projects are complete, it's time to find the perfect spots to display them. Consider areas of your home that could use a touch of personality, such as your living room, hallway, or even your front porch. Don't shy away from mixing different styles or incorporating plants to create a harmonious indoor garden feel, adding warmth and vibrancy to your space. Creating with others can enhance the experience. Invite friends or family to join you in a crafting session, sharing tips and ideas as you work together. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also allows you to learn and grow through collaboration. Plus, you'll have lots of fun along the way. As you complete your projects, take a moment to reflect on the entire process. What worked well? What challenges did you encounter? Each project provides valuable lessons that can enhance your future creative endeavors. Embrace both successes and setbacks as integral parts of your artistic journey. By transforming wood and metal leftovers into beautiful home decor, you're not only enhancing your space, but also promoting sustainability. Each piece you create carries a story, connecting you with the materials and the creative process. As we wrap up this episode of Creative Fusion, remember that every scrap has the potential to be part of something beautiful. Thank you for watching our video of Creative Fusion. We hope you found inspiration in transforming wood and metal leftovers into stylish home decor. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more creative projects, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means so much to us and helps us continue to bring you exciting DIY ideas.